Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to complete चैप्टर नंबर 7 फाइट मंजू फाइट फ्रॉम वर्कबुक। यहाँ पर आपको एक पैसेज दिया है और उसके बेस पर आपको ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं। सो फर्स्ट कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, मैच द पॉइंट्स इन कॉलम ए टू दोज इन कॉलम बी करेक्टली। फर्स्ट, हेलेंस टीचर सी एंड सुलिवन। सेकंड, ब्रेल डी एन अल्फाबेट सिस्टम बेस्ड ऑन raised dots. Third, Helen's college, Radcliffe College. Fourth, Helen learned to ride a horse and a bike. Then B, answer the questions in brief. First, how did people treat the blind and the deaf during Keller's time? Where were they sent off? And answer is back in late 1800s. Nobody believed that blind or deaf people could lead normal lives. Most were sent away from their homes to spend the rest of their lives in bleak schools that were more like prisons rather than places to learn and grow. Few people believed that a person who was both blind and deaf could ever learn to communicate. Then second question, how was Helen when Miss Sullivan first met her? How did she communicate? Answer, when Anne first met Helen in 1887, Helen was wild and angry. She communicated by grunting and screaming. Then third question, how did Miss Sullivan teach Helen to speak? And answer is, from the beginning of Helen's education, Miss Sullivan made it a practice to speak to her as she would speak to any normal child. The only difference was that she spelled the sentences into Helen's hand instead of speaking them. If Helen did not know the words and phrases necessary to express her thoughts and supplied them, even carrying on the conversation when Helen was unable to keep up her end of the dialogue. Then fourth question, list some of Helen's achievements. First, in addition to English, Helen also learned French and Greek. Second, she graduated with honors. Third, she became an author. Fourth, she learned to ride a horse and a bike. Then fifth, find the words in the passage which mean the following. First, a surprising event that is believed to be caused by God, miracle. B, a conversation between two peoples, dialogue. C, a dark underground prison, usually in a castle, dungeon. Then vocabulary, complete the word wave with words related to disability. You can use a dictionary. So first is autism, then learning disability, wheelchair, then invalid, disorder, and then last handicap. Then next, spelling, doubling of letters. B, read the following words and say if they have been spelled correctly. Correct the errors wherever necessary. So first is flapping, it is corrected. Then spotted, correct है. Third, hidden, ये कैसे लिखना था यहाँ पर, HIDDEN. Fourth, smarter is correct. Then fifth one, forgotten is also correct. Sixth, setting, इसका स्पेलिंग है SITTING. Seventh, robbing. 8, cancelled. 9, referring, REFERRING. regretted, यहाँ पर भी स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है, REGRETTED, regretted. Then grammar, subject and predicate. A, complete the sentences with suitable subjects and predicates. First, the old woman was carrying a heavy basket. Second, the dew drops on the leaves shone like diamond. Third, an unexpected holiday delights everyone. Fourth, the policeman blew the whistle. Fifth, the beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky. Sixth, our drama teacher taught us a play by Shakespeare. 6. Rohan and his brother were playing cricket. 8. We should abide by traffic rules. Then subject verb agreement, उसके बेस पर है exercise B, fill in the blanks with the correct options. First, Ravi and his brother are identical twins. Second, neither of the two tables seems sturdy. Third, either of the two girls is to be blamed for the mistake. Fourth, the cattle is grazing in the green meadow. Fifth, each student has completed the assignment given to them. Sixth, the quality of the material in this shop is good. 7. A pair of scissors are needed to cut the ribbon. 8. The poet and writer has arrived for the inauguration ceremony.